Let's recreate this makeup look. I'm putting white concealer on my brows first. It's going along the bottom of my brows with black. Let me do my base. Now let's add some colour. Add in a lot of pink eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Add in that pink eyeshadow to my nose and my crease. I added a bit of black eyeshadow into my crease and I'm just blending it into that pink. I extended the pink eyeshadow up onto my forehead as well, either side of my brows. Add in liner and drawing on these lashes. I've drawn the web out on my face using white face paint. So I've just spent like 1,000 hours sticking these tiny pearls onto my face. Who's ready for the end result? Here's the end result. I actually love how it turned out. It took me way too long to stick those pearls on, but it was worth it. I know you guys are always super honest with me, so comment and let me know what you think of this look. Does it look like the face chart? If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give the video a thumbs down. But either way, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.